Good morning, class 2. I'm your science teacher, Miss Farah. How are you all? Okay, as you know that we are dealing with unit number 1, human body. Starts from this page, unit 1, human body. Okay, the topic we are going to discuss today, that is lungs. What is the topic? Lungs. As you know, in our human body, where the lungs are located, these are the lungs. You can see clearly lungs. Okay, and the topic starts from the page 4. Page number 4. The topic lungs. You can see the clear picture. This is the picture of lungs. Okay, some important things about lungs that is discussed over here in the book. The lungs are found in our chest. Okay, first thing, where the lungs found? In chest. One thing you should remember, the lungs are found in our chest. In chest. One thing. Okay. Second, it helps in breathing. When we breathe, when we inhale air inside our body, so the lungs are very important in this way. The second important thing about lungs, helps in breathing. Helps in breathing. You can see on your book, the lungs are found in our chest and they help us in breathing. Okay, how many lungs are there in our body? 2 lungs. How many lungs? Our lungs, we have 2 lungs in our body. It helps us in breathing. It locates in chest. It is in chest. Okay, I have another picture for you. Look, a clear picture. Lungs. Okay, we have discussed the function of the lungs, means it is located, it is in our chest, or it helps in breathing. Our lungs fill up with air, mean oxygen, when we breathe in. Means when we breathe inside our body, then our lungs fill up with air, with oxygen. Second important thing, helps in breathing. And how many lungs are there in our body? 2 lungs. 2 lungs are there in our body. Okay, now we'll discuss the appearance, means what is the structure of the lungs. We have 2 lungs which look pink. You can see pink on your book. There's a picture. Okay, the appearance of the body of the lungs are pink and rubbery. Its structure is like, means a rubbery type. Okay, and when we talk about the outer side, means outside, and like a sponge inside, means from outside you can see that 2 lungs are pink and rubbery. You can see pink and rubbery. Over here there's a dark color, means it looks like red, but basically the color is pink. Clear? You can see on your book. It looks like pink and rubbery, means structure or of the lungs are rubbery from outside. But if we talk about inside, the lungs are like sponge from inside. From inside, it's like a sponge. See, there are little veins over here inside the lungs. The most important thing, the appearance of the lungs are Okay, we have read about lungs. Now, when you sleep, there's a question. When you sleep, do you breathe? Okay, when you sleep, you breathe slowly. You breathe slowly. On the other side, you can see that when you run fast, so you breathe fastly. Your breathing system is going to fast as compared to the sleeping mode. Clear? So related with this topic, there is a question on page number 7. Look at the page number 7. Part 4. How many lungs do we have? How many lungs do we have? As you know that related to the topic, with every topic we have done these questions. So I think only this question is left. Fourth one. How many lungs do we have? How many lungs do we have? Okay, we have 2 lungs. As I have told you earlier, we have 2 lungs, or some important things about lungs, that are the appearance or the structure, means that is inside our chest. It helps to breathing and fills up with air, that is oxygen, and it looks like pink and rubbery from outside and like a sponge from inside. Clear? This is about the lungs. And the question, how many lungs do we have? Write down in your notebooks. We have 2 lungs. So all questions related to this chapter is almost done. All the questions are done. Okay, I'm going to give you a homework. Look, page number 6, unscramble words. Page number 6 on your textbook. 5 words are given over here, and these words are related to the organ or the human body. You can easily judge these words. Clear? Do it by yourself on your notebook, on your book, sorry. Clear? Do this question on your neat copy, your neat notebook, and this on your book, on your textbook, on page number 6. A very easy. Okay. Look at NKSI. What is this word? Can you judge? Why don't we find out NKSI? NKSI. See, first word, that is skin. But rearrange the words because scramble these words, these unscrambled words. Look at NKSI. So this word is skin. SKIN. So arrange these words and write down over here. Clear? Do it on your book. Okay. On page number 7, exercise, choose the correct answer. Number 1, which organ do we use while breathing? Which organ? Heart, skin, lungs, stomach. So what is the correct word? That is lungs. Breathing system. What is the function of lungs? Breathing system means the organ that is used for while breathing. So the correct is lungs. Okay, number 2, name the organ shown below. This is stomach. Write down over here, stomach. That is written, skin, brain, heart, stomach. This is. Okay, in unit number 1, human body, the topic we are dealing now, stomach. Look at stomach. On page number 5, there is a clear picture of stomach. Okay, in human body, you can see after the lungs, there is attached the stomach. This is stomach. So, what is the function of stomach? What it does for us? Keep reading of it. Okay, some facts about it. Stomach stores the food we eat for a short time. What is the main function of stomach? Stores food. Stores food for short time. Okay, when we eat something, the brain sends signals. When we eat something, means eating process means from our mouth to our stomach. How the food goes from our mouth to our stomach. For example, when we eat something, the brain sends signals to stomach. It's our part of body, stomach. Brain is also our part of body. Brain sends signals to stomach. Clear? And stomach, what is the function of stomach? It producing juices. Some sort of liquid is there. It produces juices. And what is the function of that juices? To break down the food. Break down the food. Clear? When we eat something, the brain sends signals to the stomach that food is on its way. What is the signal of the brain to the stomach? The food is on its way. This is the signal, this is the message of the brain to the stomach. The food is on its way. So, by receiving those signals, due to these signals, the stomach starts producing juices. And these juices help in breaking down the food we have eaten. Breaking down the food we have eaten. Clear? This is the function of the stomach. Mean when we eat something, so it will be clear to you that by reading this text on this topic, stomach, on page number 5. Clear? The function of the stomach, first of all, stores food when we eat something, and after that brain gives signals to the stomach that the food is on the way, and stomach produces juices, and those juices break down the food. Okay, it takes around 7 seconds for food to travel from your mouth to your stomach. How many time it spends? 7 seconds. When we eat something, it takes 7 seconds from our mouth to our stomach. From our mouth to our stomach. Clear? This is the picture of the stomach. You can see clearly on your book. So keep in your mind these points about stomach, then it will be clear to you that stomach stores the food we eat for a short time. Clear? And when we eat something, the brain sends signals to the stomach. Signals to the stomach and produces juices, and after that it breaks down the food. Okay, unit 1, human body. We have completed down the first: skin, brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Every topic is now completed. Okay, now I am giving you some important brief description about full chapter, about full chapter topics. 4 topics or 5 topics we have learned: skin, brain, and the most important, that is brain, skin, lungs, heart, and stomach. You can see on the board: brain. First of all, in a body, brain. Brain controls what? This is a body. Clear? Brain controls body. This is a body over here. Now, 4 major parts are written over below. The first one is skin. What is the function of skin? Covers the body. Clear? Major part of the human body is brain, that controls all these things, all these parts, even the body or the body major parts. Clear? First of all, skin. It covers the body. Second, lungs. It provides oxygen to the body. Clear? Heart. Heart pumps blood to the body. And the last one is stomach. What is the function of stomach? It breaks down food. It breaks down food by the order of the brain of our body. When we eat something, it breaks down the food to digest it. Clear? This is the main chart, or you can say the map, that is given also on your book on page number 6. You can see clearly. This is the concept map, the concept of full chapter. Clear? Brain controls the human body. Skin covers the body. Lungs provides oxygen to the body. Heart pumps blood around the body. And stomach breaks down food for human body. Our first chapter is completed. Okay, the last one, your task that I am going to give you, that is on page number 8, the last page of this unit. Look at, there's a human body and the parts inside the body that is given. Okay, match the name of the organ to its picture. Means basically we have read about the skin, lungs, brain, heart, and stomach in this chapter. So these all parts are inside the body, that is shown in the picture. You can see clearly. You just point out where is the skin of the body, where are the lungs, clear, where is heart, where is brain, where is stomach. Okay, I'm going to give you the project that is given over here. Make different internal organs with the help of Play-Doh. Do you have a dough with you? I think you have a dough with you to playing or to make different things. So I'm giving you the task, first of all, to match this organ to the body parts, and to make some, means easy, if you want to make a brain, if you want to make lungs, heart, stomach, whatever, 2 or 3 parts, you will easily